Hi, I'm Tito Pao. Currently, ako yung nag-organize ng pickleball games dito sa group namin, Pickleball Republic. So, lahat kayo welcome to join. I started playing pickleball nung sometime December. And then, I started enjoying it and meeting all different people. Ayun, na-enjoy ko na siya. Tapos, I started inviting other people to join playing pickleball. Bukod sa enjoyment sa paglalaro, exercise na rin natin for our fitness, tsaka socializing. Pag naglalaro kami pickleball, I usually wear dry fit para madaling matuyo, magaan. Ito suot ko ngayon, made by Full Print, presko, malamig sa katawan. You cannot go wrong with Full Print Manila. Yung mga planong magpagawa dyan ng team jersey, kontakin nyo lang sila sa page nila. Full Print Manila is madaling kausap, madali nyo silang makontakt through Facebook, mag-message lang kayo. Magagaling yung kanilang designer, walang minimum order. So kahit personalized na jersey, kaya-kaya nila. Madali silang kausap.